Okay, so friends, this is like day 3 and of the downsizing videos. And okay, so I'm out in my garage today because it's the next major annoying area to tackle. And I'm just gonna spin around so you can just see how futile this is, okay? We have collected a lot of crap. And look, I even have all that Christmas stuff up there. And all of this stuff, over here. So, okay, so the process is futile, and I am just going to have to like get a dumpster and get rid of this, because if we're going from 3,700 square foot house to 1,600 square foot house, I have to get rid of like 90% of my possessions. But it feels so good to get rid of this. Just let me tell you, like right now I've got this tree out. It's 9 feet tall and it will not fit in the new house. So I'm dragging it out to the curb today, and large trash pickup will come pick it up tomorrow. But I just wanted to share this day with you and my journey, because when you are downsizing to less than half the size of your house, it's terrifying and exhausting, but also exhilarating at the same time. So if you are considering downsizing like we are, yeah, you're not alone. Okay, so please excuse the way I look. I'm not really camera ready, but I wanted to share with you the progress on the garage. It's day 1, it's the end of the day, and I'm really proud of the way it turned out. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you. And as you can see, my garage storage up there is almost completely empty, which is a big deal for me because I love to hoard and collect stuff. And here's the other side of the garage. It ended up being 2 trips to the dump, 2 trips to Goodwill, and 2 trips to the storage unit. So that's what it took to get this big garage that was full of crap looking like this. So we still have some work to do, but we're not moving out today. So it's not something that has to be done today, but it does have to be worked on in the next couple of weeks before we list the place. So, but this was a huge undertaking, one that caused a tremendous amount of stress to the both of us, actually to all 4 of us. And so I'm really excited about the way it looks. My husband was like, this is the way our garage should look all the time. And I'm like, I know, but you know, there's no basements in Florida, so there's no place to store your stuff. This is your only choice in the garage. So unfortunately, that's the way it is. And since I'm such a hoarder, like, we've accumulated stuff. But now that's over because we're moving into a tiny house. So I no longer have to clean, organize, or deal with my stuff like I am now. And that's the whole point of the downsize. Thank you so much for watching, and keep tuning in for more just of the progress. Yeah, I'm totally ready for a cocktail now.